Hi fam, and welcome back to our channel Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we are going to do the completion of our Dollar Tree crushed glass chandelier wall sconces. We have two styles, and I hope that you enjoy the way that they came out. So if you're interested in seeing the completion of this project, then just continue to watch. Okay guys, as promised, I am continuing on recording of the Glam crushed glass chandelier. It's pretty much a Dollar Tree DIY, and we did the first half of it live. So we left off and I was putting the second set of bling wrap around the top, and I'm getting ready to put the framing around the bottom. But I was thinking about the crystals that's going to hang, and I want the crystals to go all the way across here, and so I was trying to figure out how I was going to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of the screen and I'm going to place it right across here like that, and I'm gonna put some strong adhesive and hot glue on it. I would love for you to become a part of the Design on a Dollar family. You can do that by hitting the red subscribe button and then hitting the post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload. Then I would love for you to like this video by giving it a big thumbs up, and finally share this video and our channel so that we can continue to grow. Okay guys, so right here you can see I am putting part of the screen on the back of the holder. I'm going to double that up, and this is where I'm going to hang the crystal. So I'm going to fill that whole back side up. So I wanted to tell you also guys that you will only need one spatter proof lid for each one of the wall sconces. That includes putting the screen on the back for the crystals to be attached to as well. So I'm going to go ahead and fill all of that up, and then I will be back. Guys, I'm going to wait to attach the other framing out until after I finish putting the screen on. So you're going to see me start putting the crystals on, and how I'm going to do that, I'm going to take a paper clip and I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to stick one side through the screen, and then I'm going to bend it closed, and then I'm going to load that paper clip up with 6 strands, and then I'm going to close it by sticking the other end of the paper clip back through the other side of the screen. So guys, please share this video so that our subscriber count can become higher in 2020. I am so looking forward to 50,000 subscribers in our first few months of 2020, and I would love for you to help us get to that spot. Right here guys, I'm going to show you a close-up of what I meant by putting the paper clip through one side and then loading the strands on, and then take it through the other side to close it off. Please take this opportunity to hit the like button and then click the notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from us. And guys, I would truly love for you to join the Design on the Dollars family. Just hit that subscribe button. And here I'm just going to show you what the crystals look like when they're attached to the mesh. And I'm going to do that all the way across. As you can see here, I filled in some more of the screen on the back, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. I just take a piece of the spatterproof thing and I cut it down to size, and then I use Gorilla Glue sticks to actually secure it to the bottom of the what is now the chandelier. So here I'm just showing you how I do it, and then once I have it on, I will trim it to size. And guys, once I have all the crystals on the bottom, well, not all of them, but I'm just going to show you how many rows I'm going to put. I'm getting ready to put the other part of the trim around the bottom of it, and then I'm going to show you what the crystals look like hanging and how many rows it's going to be. And then guys, you're going to see me put Mod Podge on the screen. I realized that if I put the Mod Podge on it, it's going to seal in some of the holes that's in the screen, and so when I put the glue on to put the crushed glass on, it's not going to seep through. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to let the Mod Podge dry for a while, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to use the Dollar Tree clear glue, and I'm going to put that on and put the crushed glass on top of it. And then once I put the crushed glass, guys, then I'm going to come back and show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so here I'm getting ready to show you the two styles that we have. I'm going to put the lights in, and guys, I wanted to tell you also, I'm going to show you to make sure that you put the switch for the battery pack on the inside of the chandelier, the wall sconce. Don't put it on the back side, because if you glue it down and you hang it up on the wall, then you won't be able to turn it off and on. So make sure you point the on and off switch on the inside of the wall sconce, and I'm gonna show you what I mean in a few minutes. So right here, I'm just going to put the lights on. I'm going to put them around. I'm going to make sure that I like them, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for the one that's the style 2. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like hanging up on the wall. And that's it, guys. So I will talk to you guys in our next video. And isn't that gorgeous, guys? The sparkle. Oh, one other thing, I'm not going to put the bands around this one. I'm only going to put the go ahead and put the diamond wrap, because it will have a gap in it and it wouldn't look right. So I'm just going to put 4 strands of the diamond wrap around the top and the bottom, and you'll see what it looks like when I show you the end result, or you saw it in the beginning. I really would like for you to do me this big favor. On January 28th, I turned 50 years old, and I really want to have 50,000 subscribers on my 50th birthday. So if you can, share this video with at least 5 people. And if you know someone that does not have a YouTube channel yet, sign them up so they can and get them to become a part of our YT family. I would love to reach 50,000 on my 50th birthday. So that's what I want for my birthday present, guys. So please go ahead Share it with 5 people. Ask those 5 people to become a part of our family so we can reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers. And at this Christmas holiday season, sharing in the gift of Christ, remember, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you this, guys, I truly, truly, truly mean it.